Hello friends, today in this live stream we will be discussing about the different kinds of alert boxes which are available inside your JavaScript application. So are mainly three alert boxes that you see inside your JavaScript application. We will be taking all three examples here and explaining you in detail. So basically let me just uh, make it side by side so that you can see that. Let me change the title to JavaScript alert pop-up window, JavaScript alert pop-up window like this. And we are just including, you can see we are including this JavaScript file which is script.js. So as you all know guys, basically all these alert boxes that you see is part of the window object. So we have a window object out there. So we have this window dot alert. So basically there is a method inside this window object. So window object is available to all the browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Internet Explorer. So this is the first alert box guys, alert message, or you can say that hello world. So as I'm typing here, you will see that on the right hand side, this is the alert statement. Automatically it print out. So you can see if I refresh it, hello world, you will see that. So basically it prints out the pop-up window that you see right here. So you can use it inside any application you are developing, and you can also show it programmatically as well. If you don't want to show it like this, you can have a button here which will trigger this alert. So I will simply show alert, and then as I click this button, I need to show this alert box. I can even write this as alert. I can say hello world and close it. So I'm just writing this JavaScript here so I can remove it from here. So what will happen here if you see, I need to close it. So you can see that guys, basically now we will have a button here. So as I click this button here, my alert box will be showing here. You will see hello world. You will see that. And based upon a condition, let's suppose you can have a input field inside your form element, and we can give it a id of form here, and we have input type text and placeholder enter name, and then we have the button, so register. So basically here we can simply have add a event listener to it. We can add a event listener of submit. So when the form submits, here we can simply check basically if the user has entered. We can simply compare here that first of all prevent the auto submission of the form, and here we will simply check guys, basically if you see we can give it a id of name. So here we can simply say if the value entered by the user is nothing, if the user hasn't entered the value, we can say inside alert statement, please enter the name, like this. So what will happen now inside this example, as I don't enter the value here, and if I click the register button, you will see please enter the name. So you can see that. So it is not letting me submit the form without entering these details. So it is also very useful in showing these alert messages, error messages as well. This is also used in that scenario as well. So if I enter like this, if I enter the value here, now this will not be shown. You will see that. So now I can successfully process this form value. So this is the first value guys. You can even don't write this window object. It is not mandatory. You can directly write like this, alert, hi, hello. You can see that. So this is your alert message. And if you want to write multi-line guys, you can also put a backtick symbol to insert a new line. So this will be coming on second line. So if you just write want to write multi-line alert statements, you will see hi hello, this is coming in second line. So just inserting new line characters, you just need to put backslash n, so this means you can see that. So now this will have more new line characters here. If you refresh, you will see that. So in this way you can write multiple lines inside your alert statement. You just need to insert backtick symbol here like this, backslash n. Now guys, there is some more two other alert statements which is called as confirm. So window dot confirm, or you can even write like this. So are you sure you want to delete? So basically this is question based alert box. So you can ask the user a question here, are you sure want to delete? If the user click OK, you will be deleting the object. If they click cancel, you will not. So you have seen these alert statements inside your application, guys. Basically, we are asking a question to the user. If they press OK or like this, you can see that. So it is all about the question alert boxes, guys. So whatever questions the user asks here, it totally depends upon you. So now basically, if you want to get the output of it, we can store it inside a variable which is result. So basically it will either return true or false. So if I console log this value, so let me just show you the inside the console. So if I inspect element and go to console here, so what you will see, as I click the cancel button, you will see false value will be there because I click the cancel button. So if I click the OK button, true value will be returned to me. You can see true value is returned. So it returns a boolean value, guys. So depending upon, you can write, insert it inside a if condition. So I can simply have if result, and we can simply uh, have a result here. Basically, let me give it a ID result. If the user has clicked the OK button, then we will simply say on the browser that you have clicked the OK button, and in the else we will simply say you have clicked the cancel button, like this. So now what will happen, guys, basically if I click OK, you have clicked the OK button, you will see. If I click cancel, you have clicked the cancel button, you will see that. So basically this is the second but alert box, guys. I have shown you. You can ask questions here, any kind of question you can ask. The user have two options, either they can click yes button or cancel. The third one is basically, guys, if you want to take input from the user, take input from the user. In that scenario, we will be using a method called as prompt. So prompt basically, guys, it takes a enter the, you can ask any question to the user, enter the name or enter your name like this. So basically now you can see automatically it has an input field out there. So we are asking a question to the user. If I refresh it, enter your name, you can see. If I enter anything here and click OK, you can see that. Now we can also catch the value as well right here. And you can also provide a default value as well. So if the user hasn't write anything here, we can simply say we can provide a default value as well. So what will happen now, if you load the alert, automatically this John value will be automatically passed here. So if the user doesn't write anything, this will be the default value which get passed. So this is a great option. You can even pass a default value as well. So now I can store this value. I can store this name value like this. And based upon the user has written something, we can simply print out. If name is there, we can simply print out in the console, sorry, in the browser, inner HTML, the user name is name, like this. So basically, if I doesn't write anything here, the default value will John will be passed here. If I click OK, the username is John. And if I change the value, let's suppose to Steve, uh, the username is Steve, like this. So you have seen this alert box in many applications. If you just want to take some user input, these this method is very much handful. It can take any, you can ask any question to the user. Based upon they answer it, you will catch the answer and display it inside the browser. So these are the three input alert boxes, guys, which are natively available inside JavaScript. First is the alert box, then we have pop-up window to confirm, and then we have this prompt one. So these three methods are natively supported by JavaScript, and I have shown you the all the examples here. So if you have any sort of doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. And I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, thank you very much.